Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. In this part 19 video, I'm going to go over a bunch of examples in converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. And so I'm like to show you the formula I went over in part 18, but using symbols. It might make things a little bit easier. So let's just get right on into it with this first example, number 1. 17 thirds, or 17 divided by 3. You can also write it this way, 17 divided by 3. So in converting improper fractions into mixed numbers, we'll be doing a little bit of what's called long division, although it's going to be a short division, if that makes any sense. All right, so 3 times what number above the divisor bar gets me closest to 17 without going over? Well, I know 3 times 5 is 15. It's not larger than 17, and it's less than 17. So I'm going to subtract the product. 3 times 5 gives me a product of 15. I'm going to subtract. 17 minus 15 gives me a remainder of 2. So I'm going to use this information here. If you remember from my last video, the number above the divisor bar is our whole number. The remainder is going to be our new numerator, or new top number of the fraction. And remember, the denominator, I highlighted here in 3, will stay the same. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. Okay, so now you can see the formula I came up with, but now we're using symbols. The number above the divisor bar will be our whole number, right? So that triangle is going to be our whole number. You see the triangle here. The remainder, written in this rectangle, 2, will be our new numerator, or top number of our fraction. And again, the denominator of 3 stays the denominator 3. One quick thing I like to mention, if you can reduce your fractions, you always need to try to reduce your fractions. So again, 17 thirds, or 17 divided by 3, improper fraction, can be written as a mixed number, 5 and 2 thirds. Let's take a look at example number 2. Okay, taking a look at example number 2, we have another improper fraction. That means the top number is a little bit larger, or top heavy, versus the denominator, the bottom number here of 6. So we have 20 over 6, or 26 is how you would say that, I guess, properly. Or you also can say 20 divided by 6. Now, this is one of the things I want to point out. I talked about it a little bit in another example. Can you reduce this improper fraction? And if you can, you should do it first before you try to convert into a mixed number. So let me ask you, can we reduce this fraction? I have a top number in my numerator of 20, an even number. I have a 6 in my denominator, an even number. What's the smallest even number that will be divided into top and bottom? Let's see. Okay, so you must always try to reduce your fractions first, right? And so the smallest even number that can be divided into top and bottom evenly without a remainder is 2. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Why? Because I know that 2 times 10 equals 20. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Why? Because I know 2 times 3 equals 6. So multiplying and dividing are inverse operations of each other. The better you get at multiplying, the better you're going to get at dividing. It's very important you practice maybe a 12 by 12 or 20 by 20, 10 by 10 multiplication chart with answers. Get better at multiplying, you're going to get a lot better at dividing as well. So the improper fraction of 26 reduces down to still an improper fraction, 10 thirds, or 10 divided by 3. Okay, so I'm showing you here 10 10 divided by 3, right? And what number times 3 will get me closest to 10 without going over 10? I know that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9, right? So 9 fits that criteria. I'm not going over 10, and 9 is just under 10. So I'm going to subtract the product. Again, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 gives me a remainder of 1. So using the symbols, we follow the formula. The number above the divisor bar is our whole number in our mixed number. Our remainder, R stands for remainder, is 1. That remainder is our new numerator, or our new top part of our fraction. And the bottom, or the denominator of 3, stays the same. So 3 and 1/3 is our mixed number of our example 2 improper fraction of 26 reduced down to 10/3. I'm hoping this is helping you out. We got some more example problems coming up. But stick around for part 20. I'd like to go over some more examples, and then you have a stop and pause practice time for yourself. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.